Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix not photo available in photo widget on iPhone 17 here. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26.0. After the checking, go back to home screen and click and hold screen. You will see click on the photo widget. Now here click on the favorite. You will select the another album. So click on edit. You will see photos are showing on the photo widget. So that's how you can fix not photo available in photo widgets in iPhone 17 here. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.